Now, there's an old axiom: if you want to walk on water, you got to get out of the boat, right? I love it. And that's true, but let me add one to the mix. If you want God to make a sidewalk through the sea, you got to wade into the water. So here's the challenge this weekend. Pick a habit, any habit. It could be 5 minutes of meditation every morning. It could be 3 gratitudes a day. It could be doing your age and sit-ups or push-ups. It could be doing a daily Bible reading plan. If you are in person, you got a domino that looks a little bit like this, right? And if you're online, I want you to go visit. Actually, if you're in person, I want you to do the same thing. ncc.re/domino. This domino, it represents that habit that you're gonna choose over the course of this series. I want to challenge you to do it every day until October 31st. And if you're really ambitious, if you really want to do a 30-day challenge, that is totally fine as well. And I better give a disclaimer right here, okay? The subtitle of the book is How to Make or Break Any Habit in 30 Days. I promise you, I had a lot of conversations with my editor about that. Because I do not want to overpromise and underdeliver. I'm very well aware of the fact that experts in habit formation would say that it takes anywhere between 21 and 254 days. Here's the reality. It depends on the person and it depends on the habit. It's as unique as you are, but here's my thought. This series is long enough to get a winning streak going.